right, so I organized my yarn. I was inspired by Dee from Dee's Creative Hands. Hi, Dee. She showed a tour of her yarn room, and she had organized all her yarn by brand name. Yes. I was like, that was perfect. Perfect. So that's what I've done with mine. All right. So let's take a look. All right. So up here is all the Yarnspirations Caron. The cakes up there, 2 baskets, and then the below 2 baskets. And then we have Loopy, that Loopy yarn. I don't know what brand that was, and a couple others. But anyway, Yarn Art, my big twist. I only have one. These are ice yarns. The big twist is Joanne brand, right? Joanne, yeah. Okay, so over here, excuse me, Huggles. Over here we have Hirschner's. These are Hirschner's 2-ply fashion yarn. That's all that. Down here we have all my Hobie. There's some Hobie right here. There's some Soho right here. Next one is Yarn Bee, my Yarn Bee. Yes, there's I Love This Cotton in the middle there, but there's more Yarn Bee down here. This one is Yarn Bee Bamboo-tiful. These are the Sugarwheel Cotton. But they're all Yarn Bee except for that I Love This Cotton. And then these are Stylecraft. And then these are Paint Box. These are all my loops and threads. Then back here we have the Red Heart Roll with it. It's a wrap. There's a heat wave. Then in front of that we have our Red Heart, our Lion brand. Those are all my True Boos. I have 3 colors. And then over there we have Premier Cotton. I don't know if you can see it behind my fan. There's Premier Cotton. And there's, Cotton Fair by Premier. And there's some Lion brand again, Kobu. All right, I'm going to tip this camera down a little so you can see the next shelf. Can you see? I think so. Okay. Down here, we have all my mandalas are in there, and I have a Premier Sweet Roll. Now, the Premier, I know I have some back there, the Cotton Fair, but this Premier is cakes, so I just stuck them in there because it wouldn't fit back there. And these ones right here I had in the front are all Craft Smart. Okay, let me just pull these out. Yeah, these are Craft Smart. Craft Smart. They're all Craft Smart that I got from Michael's. Got red, purple, and a gray. Get in there. Get in there. Okay. Now behind here, these are Lion brand roll, shell on a ball, shell on a cake, you know, things like that. Is this in the way? That was right here. Over here we have Barocco. All my Barocco right there. Then we have some couple of cakes of King Cole Curiosity. We have one Lonely Bernat Softy Baby Stripes. These ones are kind of miscellaneous. You know, there's couple of different kinds. Just kind of smaller miscellaneous ones. And back here I have, these are from Dollar Tree. The fluffy, fuzzy stuff. Dollar Tree. And so by brand name, so I'm thinking, you know, something like this we could do if, you know, we have a roll with it, Sparkle by Red Heart, and we have It's a Wrap by Red Heart. Say you find that It's a Wrap, which is marked, say you find it's too small for you to work with and you don't have another one to combine it with, why not combine it with a Red Heart roll with a Sparkle? You know, why not? Hold the strands together, 2 strands, one from this one from this one, hold them together and crochet up something. I think it would look interesting, and I've done similar things, and you end up having your own unique colorway. So yeah, so stick those back in there. So I think that's a really cool way. I mean, if you have a whole bunch of, say like these red lime brown turbos, you have different colors, maybe you'd like to combine the colors, and I mean, they're all right there. Yeah. So I think that's kind of a cool way to do it. I mean, if I want to combine a couple of yarn bees together, maybe something like this. Ooh. Something like this. We have the Yarn Bee Bamboo-tiful. Then we have Yarn Bee Cotton, Sugarwheel Cotton. And look, I mean, this color right here is pretty close. Oh, trying to get the light right. Pretty close to the other color. I mean, why not? I know these are cotton. And this is 50 cotton and 50 viscose. And the Sugarwheel Cotton, they're 100% cotton, I believe. Yes. So why not? Why not? I don't mean like putting, well, you could, I guess, put 2 together, a strand of this and a strand of this together if you wanted. Or you could use, you can make it a top and use this ball, and you can have this as trim, maybe a thick, you know, thick trim up here and a thick trim at the bottom, and then maybe well, not trim, but like, well, I guess like a border, wide borders, and then you could use this to trim a small borders around the sleeves, or if it's going to be sleeveless, around here. You know, why not? This has given me some ideas. And I hope it gives you ideas too. Yeah, all righty then. My little Huggles is in here. She's like, who are you talking to, Mommy? Talking to my yarny friends. All right, thank you so much for watching.